Today, we will show you how to efficiently dry fresh mealworms using microwave equipment. This is not only a time-saving method, but also ensures that the nutritional value of mealworms is maximally preserved. Firstly, weigh 10 kilograms of fresh mealworms and evenly spread them on a tray. Please note that even placement is the key to ensuring uniform drying. Next, place them inside the microwave cavity and start the device. The time we set is 10 minutes, which is sufficient to dry the yellow mealworms to the desired humidity. While waiting, let me take you on a tour of our breeding shed. There are many same microwave dryers working, which are our secret to improving efficiency and reducing costs. Ten minutes later, the mealworms have dried up. Take out the tray and let's take a look at the dried mealworms. Their color is still bright, but their volume has shrunk. Finally, pour them into the already dried pile of mealworms and let them cool. This is an important step. Proper cooling can prevent the resurgence of mealworms and ensure long-term storage quality.